So it's time for us to do some unboxing. I have those two packages that I'm going to be unboxing. See, they're right behind me, and it's two packages that I have to unbox today. Two Amazon packages, and that's what we are going to do now. I love unboxing. It's something that brings me a lot of relaxation and joy. So I like to do those things that bring me joy, and you should do those things that bring you joy. Choose joy today. Choose the things that make you happy. So we're gonna open this package first, and that's we have a bag, and we have a box, and then we have a package. So let's unbox those right now. All right, and remember, tip number one: always, 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 always remove your personal information from the thing. Always. Especially, I love that sound, especially before dumping the box or the packages, the empty packages. Remember, always remove your information from them. I love to hear when the things rip apart and stuff like that. There we go. It's not a big package or anything. Let's put this away. Let's turn this off. There we go. So it's not a big package. There's this. All right, let's start with this is the head wrap. All right. So that's this. That's what it comes in. Don't do that. Don't put it in your mouth. How are you feeling today? Are you doing well? I hope I did not offend you with my discussion on the hot topic, because it's not my intention to offend anyone, but I have opinions sometimes. I like to be able to share them, I think I have something to say. Look at this. Cute. Oh my gosh, let me see if I can put one on without causing too many issues. Wow. Do you like it? Look at that. Do you like it? There we go. Yeah. I can't see properly because the camera is so far away from me, but I like this. Oh wow, look at this. Very nice material, very soft, silky. Very soft, silky material. Yeah. So there are 4 of them. No, 5. 4? 5. Yeah, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are the headbands. Very nice. I like to put things where you can see them. Now this is a piece of jewelry. Let's see what this box is. Oh, the lights, the string lights. I also bought some. So this is the string lights. See the box? Just a small box. Yeah. I love unboxing. I just do. I just love it so much. Oh, these lights are pretty. Wow, they're pretty. Look at that. Ooh, they're pretty. They're pretty. I don't want to take them necessarily out. And they work with batteries, so you'll have to get AA batteries, three AA batteries, as you can see. And then you just, oh, they're pretty. Wow, this is so pretty. It's really pretty, isn't it? Yeah, I don't have any, well, I have batteries, but they're not here, so I'm not able to turn them on for you to see. But perhaps another time I'll show it to you. Yeah. Really pretty. Really pretty lights. And it is star. You see? It's a star. pretty, really very pretty. Wow, I like it. I like them a lot. And this now, ooh, the spider thing. Yeah, it's something to get rid of spiders. It's all pest repellent. See? And warning, do not eat, keep out of reach of children, people with allergy, do not remove white protective thing, do not touch skin, store in a cool place. Okay, so I'm not going to open it. Friendly to human pet. Okay, so this is friendly to us, but because I'm not going to be able to wash my hands right away, I'm not going to go any further with it. So that's what this is. I want it. Oh, but you can see on there what it looks like. And you not to take it out of its package. Sorry. It warns not to be removed from its package. So that's what that is. And this now, this is actually jewelry. Okay. So it comes with a bag to keep it in. And you're flamazing. You're flamazing. I'm flamazing. Little card. Stand tall. Embrace your beauty. Be flexible. Spend time with your flock. Don't be afraid to get your feet wet. And never forget how flamazing you are. Oh, thank you so much. This is so cute. Thank you. Thank you. So it has a little bag. And then this is the bracelet. It's a charm bracelet. All right. Yeah. All right. Let's open it up. Oh, I like this little bag that is sent. Ooh, it says it's sterling. It's what is it? Silver. I don't remember if it's sterling or not, but it's silver. And it you can adjust it. See? Yeah. Let's put it on. Oh, it's cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's cute. And it complements mine that I had before, that I had on before. See? It's cute. Oh, I really like it. It's cute. It's very cute. This is my watch. It's the watch. Okay, one more package. Then we're done. And this one, this is the one. So remember, always remove, first thing, remove your information. Remove your personal information before you do anything else. Right? And you rip that apart. You can even shred it. I have a shredder, but because, yeah. You can shred it, burn it, whatever you want to do with it, but just make sure that you do not dump your information legibly when it's still legible. When, rip it apart or something. Protect your information. However best you know how, but protect it. Yeah. And I've purchased this before, as you can see. So, ta-da! Ta-da! So, the plastic is there so it doesn't spill because it's liquid. Only liquid. No leakage. And I like that. I appreciate that. So, there's no leakage. And then the other thing that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Box is empty. So. It's open. Let's open it. Yeah. When I'm unboxing or unwrapping packages, I just put all the garbage in the bigger package, so there's no mess when I'm done. I just pick it up and dump it, and we're good to go. Right. Okay, let's see. Ah, wow, it's pretty. So that is. That's this. Ah. Do you see that? Do you see anything different? Looks a little shiner to me. Yeah. Ah, ta-da! Ta-da! So these are what we got today. And I like this little thingy. So cute. Yeah. I love to open new packages. I will give you the latest information on top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me and Coach Racquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.